Algebra 1, Module 4, Lesson 15, using the quadratic formula. Solve the following equation using the quadratic formula. Okay. Now, you should know right off the bat that we cannot solve this right now. Why? Not standard form. Do you know how many answers there will be? Definitely not going to be 3. 2 for sure? There could be 2, there could be 1, there could be no real solutions. So let's see what we got here. 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. Now I can rewrite this in the quadratic formula. Opposite of b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I have minus 6 plus minus square root 6 squared minus 4 times 3 times 2 all over 2 times 3. Now, let's just come down here filling it out. Minus 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus, what's 4 times 3? Times 2? 24 over 6. So we have negative 6 plus or minus square root of 12 over 6. We can break this 12 apart by saying 4 times 3 over 6. So we'd say negative 6 plus or minus 2 square roots of 3 over 6. Now once again, all of that is divided by 6. So what you're going to need to do is say negative 1 plus or minus 1/3 square roots of 3. Does everybody understand what I just did? Everybody not understand? Where did I lose you at? What's going on? Yeah. 12 can be written as 4 times 3, correct? Now I can square root the 4 and get a 2. So I moved it to the outside of the radical. And I left the 3 on the inside. And once I told you yesterday, each one of these terms has to be over 6. Well, negative 6 over 6 is negative 1. 2 over 6 is 1/3. There's your 2 answers. Now, it says, is the quadratic formula the most efficient way to solve this? Why or why not? Well, let's see. If we have 3x squared plus 6x plus 2, let's do trial and error. That would be 3x plus 2 plus 1. So we would have x is equal to a negative 2 and x is equal to a negative 1/3. Is that correct? There's 6. Oh, no, that's not right. That doesn't work. That would be 7x, not 6x. So yeah, it's probably the most efficient way. Okay? That didn't work. Now, it says how many zeros, that's another word for roots, that's another word for x's, do we have here? How do we find how many zeros they are? We do the what? What's it called? The discriminant. What is on the inside of the radical? That's all you got to do. B is 6 squared minus 4. A was 3. C was 2. And we know the answer to be 12. Therefore, we know that there are 2 answers. And here they are. Because they're positive, there's 2 answers. If it was the square root of, if it was equal to 0, that means there would be 1 real solution. If it's negative, then there are no real solutions. The discriminant. This right here is called the discriminant. Say it again. There's no real solutions. Correct.